Hello guys, welcome back. I'm still on simplification of Surds. So let's look at what we have on the board. So in the last video, we introduced some simple questions. So if you have not watched that video, you may like to watch that video before you proceed with this one. Yes, because here we are trying to go a step higher, than we did in the previous video. So, but what we have here on the board, let's see how we go about it. So, they say simplify the following. Number one, 2 root 128 minus 3 root 98 plus root 72. Number one. So, the solution to number one. So, 2 root 128 minus 3 root 98 plus root 72. The idea here is see all these numbers in square roots. You just have to check there must be a perfect square that will multiply a certain number, usually a non-perfect square, to give you that number. So your own task is to find that perfect square, and when you find that perfect square, the problem is solved. Having said that, if you look at 2 root 128, we can write 128 as 64 times 2, is it not? So this equation becomes 2 root 64 times 2 minus 3 roots. 98 can be written as what? 49 times 2. 49 times 2 plus 72 is written as 36 times 2, is it not? 36 times 2. So if we go, we have this and we have now that this is 4 square root of 64 is what? 8. So this becomes 2 times 8 root 2 minus square root of 49 is what? 7. 3 times 7 root 2 plus square root of 36 is 6 root 2. So if we go, we are going to have 2 times 8, 16 root 2 minus 3 times 7, 21 root 2 plus 6 root 2. So these things are like terms because all of them have root 2. So if you check, 16 minus 21 will give you minus 5. Minus 5 plus 6 will give you 1, is it not? We have 1 root 2 left, which is writing root 2. So our answer is what? Root 2. So on the second one, number 2 says we should simplify this. So the same way, the only thing we're going to do here, we're going to open this bracket and deal with it as simple as that. So if you follow me, so let's go. What we have here now will be 4 times 2 will be 8 minus 4 times root 3 will give us 4 root 3. Then plus 3 times 2 will give us 2 root 3. Then the last 3 times root 3, the root will cancel, you have minus 3. So as simple as that, it's a quick one. So you are going to have 8 minus these two are like terms. So minus this plus this will give you what? Minus 2. Give you minus 2 root 3 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is what? You have 5 minus 2 root 3. Pretty much easy, isn't it? Number three says we should simplify this. So just like the previous example, this one is just let's to open this square, just writing this in two places. It's as simple as that. So let's go. So this becomes 3 root 5 minus 2 root 3. So we have to expand this, which is writing this in two places, into 3 root 5 minus 2 root 3. So as before, we open the bracket. So we're going to have 3 root 5 times 3 root 5. This will give us 9 root 5 times 5 is what? 25. Then this times this minus 3 times 2 is 6. Root 5 times root 3, root 15. Then come here, minus 2 root 3 times 3 root 5, we have minus 6 root 3 and 5 is what? 15 too. Then this and this plus 2 times this 4. 3 times 3 is root 9. So this gives us root 25 is what? 5. 9 times 5 minus this and this are like terms. Then you have minus 6 minus 12 root 15 plus 4 root 9 is what? 3 times 3. So this gives us 9 times 5 is what? 45 minus 12 root 15 plus 12. So 45 plus 12 will give us 57 minus 12 root 15. So guys, like I said, we always go from what? Simple to complex. So next we shall be looking at rationalization of surd, then go deeper into more surdic equations and how to resolve them. The equations that have unknowns like x, y, and z, whatever. Then by the time we are done with this, we will wrap it up and then we are done with surd. Follow us bit by bit. Be patient with us as we progress from simple to complex. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.